All right, everybody. Well, welcome to another in the Moto Tour edition of Traveling Costa Rica. Today, we're still in Santa Teresa. We're going to do a quick walk around here and then head down that way to actually Santa Teresa, apparently. I haven't been down there yet. Go check it out. We'll jump on the Moto, head down there. Guys, if this is your first time joining, as always, hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Turn on the bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video. Can you guys hear the monkeys? I hear howler monkeys down there at the beach. Guys, this is a cool town. We just arrived here yesterday. Check the channel. If this is your first video you're seeing, check the channel. We did a walking tour going that way. The Playa Carmen, it's called. We did a water test. So we've already been that way. Now I want to show you guys before we rip on further where I stayed last night. El Gato Rojas, surf, hostel, and school. So I paid $80 for the night for a private room. If you guys have been watching the channel, you know that I can't do hostel dorms, man. Maybe I'm too old. Maybe I'm too big of a princess. I don't know. I don't know what it is. But I like staying at hostels, but I always get the private room. So it's $80. So keep that in mind when we're going. And now here's the chariot. Here's a chariot. We're not loaded up yet, but the chariot. Guys, we should have a naming contest for the chariot. Give me some name ideas, and whichever name idea gets the most likes on the comment, we'll run with it for this tour. So here we are. Okay, I thought we're doing a accommodations tour here in Santa Teresa. So here's a kitchen area. You can smoke here. That's nice. Surf house. Excellent. All right, now getting into the hostel here. As you can see, people surf here, which I do not do. This is a room. I was going to stay in there, but it's not as nice as the room we're going to show. Now, you'll see a lot of surfboards here. I am not a surfer. Here's reception. I think I hold 2 titles in Santa Teresa, just briefly walking around. I am simultaneously one of the older people here and the worst surfer. Ash, how's it going, brother? Oh, here's a kitchen. Yeah, I guess we should show that, the kitchen area. So they got fridges, you could cook food. I haven't eaten since I was in Playa Tambor, to be honest. I'm hungry. Pool table. Pool table. Otherwise known as, you can play with your balls and sticks. That's where I was just hacking darts. Now there's accommodations back there. Dorms and rooms and stuff like that. I don't know how much the dorm is. I think it's like $20 a night. My room's up here. So here's like a communal living, community chilling place. Couches and stuff like that. I spent some time up here. You can't smoke up here though, so I didn't spend too much time. Now this is the room that I rented right here. Let's do the big reveal. I made my bed. Sergeant. It's not very good though. I still thrash about. I have night terrors. So you got a lot of stuff. I like the layout of the room. I like the design, you know. And what do we got? Toilet, obviously. And cold shower. So that's not a big deal here because really it's hot right now. It's like really, really hot. You have air conditioning. So that's pretty cool. So guys, what we're going to do is go on the Moto BC and drive towards Santa Teresa. Check it out. I don't know what to expect down there. So let's mount up and get going. All right, guys, so we just came from that way. Probably about 5 minutes of riding, 5 to 10 minutes, depending on who's going slow. I think this is like Santa Teresa right here. I think this is where we are. It seems like this place is like really stretched out. Where are we for reference? Costa Rica apartments right there. All right, and then what's over here? Let's go have a look. Let's go have a peekaboo over here. So this road is like paved, but there's some sections that were not. Look at this. I'm gonna get plugged by my own people, my own Moto people, man. You're gonna light me up. What's in here? Restaurant, okay. Looks like, I don't know. Some cool, I don't know what's in there. What's this place? Oh, cool. It's like oh, they got a pool, man. I should have stayed here. I was being a silly goose. Should have stayed where there's a pool. Clothing, that would fit me. Look at this. And I love something about this design is just gets me going. There's some clothing stores, okay. What's across the street here, guys? This is the first time I've been here. If I need to say that again, you know what I mean? I'm just checking this place out. I don't know what's going on. Hina Surf Shop right there. Okay. ATV, Valerio's. All right, let's go down to the beach. Let's go down to the beach. Guys, if you guys are enjoying this tour, leave me a comment. Give me some ideas. I'm continuing that way. I don't even know how to get back to the main road from here. But fortunately, the BC Moto, the Chariot, knows no bounds. The only thing that has stopped me thus far is getting bit by a dog on the leg. Oh, and when I dumped the Moto going down to Uvita. You guys asked in the comments, how did the mirror get broken? Well, it got broken at the same time the pedal got shifted in. I think I dropped the bike. Yep. So these people are going surfing. Man, surfing's just so hard. I don't get it. I have like the mobility and coordination of like a Lego brick. Oh, so this is the hotel and there's a surf shop there. Okay. It's all starting to make sense. Perdón, gracias. There you go. What's this place? Pacifica Surf Studies. Oh, so you can study surf here. Not just go surfing, you can study surf. Man, you know what? A lot of people walk around barefoot and I just see them struggling, man. If you don't walk around barefoot like a lot, it gets hard on the feet. So that's why I stopped, back when I was up in Coco, I stopped walking barefoot everywhere because of the mixture of glass and dog poo that was on the ground. And I just was like, it's not a good combo. So that's why I got those water shoes, guys, as always, that are listed in the description below, of course. Check them out. I love them. I love them. Now, I don't know if you'd go surfing with them on. And I think the concern people have is like misplacing the slides, right? I had a really cheap pair of slides that got stolen in Hako when I went out in the ocean. And they were like $3 or something, and somebody still took them. So pretty sure that's why people go barefoot. It's probably not just like to connect with, you know, Gaia or whatever. Where are we? This is nice. Hey, I've just been walking and talking. I haven't even been paying attention to where I am. Look at this tree here. Look at this tree. This tree. Oh, is that one of those? Is that one of those colored trees? I don't know if you're allowed to say that. It has colors on it. It's like green. This one seems red. Yeah. It's one of those magical trees. So this sign, what are we seeing here, guys? Let's keep it rolling here. Let's keep it rolling, you know what I'm saying? Santa Teresa. Okay, perfect. I think I came to the right place. And there's people surfing too, I can see. Excelente. Okay, so this is Santa Teresa. Don't drive on the beach. No camping, no fires, and don't litter. That's how you escape rip currents right there. case you were wondering. This beach is sandy. Oh, look, okay, so there's a rock like outcrop here that separates from where we just were in Playa Carmen. I'm gonna stay in the shade, guys. I'm white as a ghost. These guys want a piece, man. They want a slice. Just guarding these are the beach guard dogs. Okay, so, all right. What are we looking at here? Okay, so there's people surfing. Let's zoom in on the surf. From the shade, of course. I'm not changing that. Man, there's a lot of people out here. There's a lot of people out here. Looking down the beach, all the people down the beach. Okay, can we get a shot of somebody surfing? Oh, there's somebody. That's entry level. Doing good, though. Wow. Whoa. Man, riding sand, dude. That's what they call riding sand. I actually don't. I just made that up, but I think it should be a thing if it's not already. Okay, so here's the rocks. And oh, way down there, I think we can see stuff that we saw from Playa Carmen. Way down there. Excellent, guys. Okay, I'm going to take a picture of that because it's a really nice shot right there. What do you guys think of that shot? The thirds are obeyed. Cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that walking, talking tour here and a bit of a moto drive in Santa Teresa. We're continuing on that way, north. Be sure to, as always, hit subscribe, hit like, all that stuff. Turn on the bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video from here in Costa Rica during our travels. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.